Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we'll be making some Jamaican fried dumpling with some tin mackerel. Jamaican tin mackerel. If you haven't, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, share, like, and subscribe. Now we're going to start off with our flour, all-purpose flour, some salt, some baking powder, some cornmeal, and then some coconut oil. Now you can melt the coconut oil first, or you can use it like that. Just use your hand and work that oil into the dough. Make sure it's evenly distributed. Or as I said, you can melt your oil so it's easier to distribute. Grab some warm water, use your hand, knead that dough. You don't want to add too much water at once, so you add in slow increments, because you don't want too much water. Too much water will make your dough wet and too sticky, and it's harder to knead once you form your dough. Just use your hands and just work all that flour in, knead your dough. As I said, you don't want it too sticky and you don't want it too dry. Just continue to knead your dough until you get that consistency you want. Just clean the side of the bowl. Now once the dough is all kneaded, form it into a ball. Wrap that with saran wrap. Set aside, let it sit and rest. And then we're gonna start off with our tin mackerel. Now, open your tin mackerel, put it into a bowl, and then I'm going to remove those bones that's in the middle of it. You can keep the bone in, you can remove it. Choice is yours. I like to remove mine. The bone is soft enough where you can cook it and it won't affect anything. You can eat it just like that. So once you remove all the bone, I like to break my mackerel into smaller pieces as well. It's just easier to cook. You're gonna saute your vegetables. You have your peppers, your onion, your garlic, your thyme, your scallion. You wanna saute that in some coconut oil. I like using coconut oil. It just adds to the flavor. So saute your veggies for a minute. Once that is all sauteed, just add your mackerel to it. Got a quick stir. Now the can that the mackerel came in, just rinse it out with some water. Pour back in your bowl. Rinse out that tomato